Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryleigh. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Gonna blow it out, Rob?
Yay!
Hey!
Wait, this would make a whip.
It's Ashleigh here, and today's video is just going to be a quick party reveal video of Ryleigh's party that she had. If you watched that haul video, you're going to know where majority of this stuff came from, but if you haven't, I will have it linked up above so you can check that out as well. So for our table decor, we just kept it simple and we flipped over some crates, added the roses, mason jars, boas, and some glitter leaves to each table. So this swan was my favorite part of the whole party. I added the tiara to the top and I spray painted that gold and added the jewels back, and then I added the boa to her wings and her neck, and then we just placed all of her presents on the swan. In the inside, we added these balloons to the wall, and then on the right side here, I blew up a picture of Ryleigh and I framed it with some burlap ribbon, and I thought that was so cute. And then we added her party favors over here with this flamingo that we thought was a swan at the time on the edge, and she was still super cute though. So my second favorite thing was the display of her photos. So I just used this frame that my mom had, and we added her pictures in the inside with some ribbon and with the swans that I made. And I also have the swan template down below so you can make your own swans, and it's just basically a template of blank swans that you can do whatever with. So now we're gonna move on to the dessert kind of section where we have our lovely cake here, and we laced it on a cake stand and then on top of this other wooden stand that my mom had. You would literally think my mom is a party planner, but she definitely is not. So the swan toppers that you're going to see throughout, I made each of those. These cupcakes we got from Sam's, and they were actually delicious. So you can get 30 cupcakes for $15, and we just added the glitter on top of them. And then this was her smash cake, and I absolutely love it. I thought it was super cute, and I just love how this whole entire section over here turned out. Okay, so for the high chair, I redid the whole entire high chair, painted it white. I did the bottom gold, and then we just decorated the front of the high chair with all of the materials that I got from my haul. And then we have her cute little outfit, got it from Etsy. I'll have it linked down below. And I took those stickers that I got from Michael's, spray painted it, put them on the front of the romper, and it turned out so cute. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Now taste it.
Oh.
Good?
I don't like it.
You got help there? Oh.